My name is Jessica Evans with Love DC Real Estate, and today I am here to answer the question, is now a good time to buy an investment property? So some of the benefits of buying an investment property as a different form of investment, typically people think of investing in stocks or mutual funds or other types of things, maybe Bitcoin. But real estate has some advantages. One, there are some great tax benefits of a real estate investment. Another thing is that it hedges against inflation. So if we're in a market or economy where inflation is a concern, real estate can be a good way to invest without the negative impacts of inflation. So the reasons why I think now might be a good time to invest in real estate or to buy an investment property are that interest rates are still low, but unlike during other parts of the last 2 years, we have less uncertainty about employment. It seems like actually we're in a job market where there are a lot of employment opportunities for people. So we're not standing at the edge of a cliff where a large percentage of the workforce might be looking at losing their jobs, which is important because most investment properties are rented and you want to know that your tenants are going to be able to pay their rent. So we have relative stability there. We've also seen a lot of gains in the stock market and probably won't continue that direction forever. Whereas with real estate, it's generally considered to be a little more stable in the long term. Most people, when they buy an investment property, it is considered to be a long-term investment because the costs of entering are high and it's the cost of selling is high as well. So those are all a few of the reasons why I think now might be a good time. And then lastly, in our DC area market, we are starting to see more of a shift towards a buyer's market. There are some areas of our market that have continued to be a buyer's market. A lot of them are condo markets. And so a condo can be a great investment property, a little less maintenance than a house. And I don't think that will last forever. I think we're still seeing lower prices in many of our condo markets than maybe we would have in 2019 or if COVID hadn't happened. So I think there are still some good opportunities there. The single family home market, prices have gone up considerably, but in terms of the long-term potential and long-term trajectory, I think the opportunities are still good. We've also seen a lot of landlords sell their investment properties, especially if they were single family homes, in order to cash out on the equity that they had built. And that's leaving a huge demand for single family home rentals. So I would argue that while single family home prices are higher, you'd be able to rent that property for considerably more than you would have been able to 2 or 3 years ago because there's a scarcity there. So these are all a few reasons why I think now might be a good time to consider buying an investment property if you're looking into real estate investing. Of course, I am not a tax advisor or investment advisor, and you should check with those professionals before making any decisions.